In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping costs on your Squarespace website. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine the e-commerce aspect of your site, understanding how to set up shipping fees is crucial. So let's dive in and get your shipping options configured smoothly. First, head over to Squarespace by opening your web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. Just click on the login button you see on the top right corner of the home page. Now, if you've previously set up your account to connect via Google, you can streamline this process by clicking on Continue with Google. This will quickly log you in without having to manually input your email and password. Once you've accessed your account, navigate to your specific website by selecting it from your dashboard. With your site opened up, look for the Settings option, usually nestled in the sidebar. Clicking on Settings will direct you to where all the magic happens behind the scenes of your website's configuration. From there, you'll want to scroll down and click on Selling. This is where you manage everything related to your online store, from product listings to payment processing. Within the Selling section, find and click on Shipping. This is where you can begin setting up and customizing how you charge your customers for shipping your products. To add a shipping method, click on Add Shipping option. This button will open a range of possibilities tailored to your specific needs. Since we're keeping it straightforward today, select Flat Rate when prompted. Flat Rate is a simple choice, giving both you and your customers clarity on shipping costs regardless of destination or item size. Next, you'll be prompted to name your shipping option. Make it something intuitive and recognizable for both yourself and your customers. It could simply be standard shipping or any other term that fits your business model. After naming it, you'll need to set up the fees. Start by adding a per order fee. This could be a base fee covering your standard shipping expenses. Additionally, if necessary, specify a per item fee. This way, if a customer orders multiple items, the cost reflects the increased shipping demand. For instance, if you're selling particularly heavy or bulky items, adding a per item surcharge may be appropriate. Now it's time to designate the geographic region. Choose a country or region where this shipping option will be applicable. This ensures your configuration is localized, which is especially important if you ship internationally. After reviewing all your selections and ensuring everything is accurate, just click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully added a shipping cost option to your Squarespace website. Remember, clear shipping options can enhance your customers' shopping experience by eliminating surprise fees, ultimately boosting customer satisfaction and potentially increasing sales. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Squarespace.